How to send WhatsApp messages without saving number. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can send messages to your WhatsApp without saving their number. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing that you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp and see if there is the contact that you want to send. But if you don't see this, what you need to do is open up Google Chrome. And here on the search bar, you are just going to type in whatsapp.me and then slash, enter your country code, and then type in the number that you want to message. And once you do that, you will be asked if you want to send a chat to this number. You are just going to tap on continue to chat. Or if you don't have WhatsApp, you can tap on this download button to install WhatsApp on your device. And once you tap on the number, you will be directed to this chat right here where you are able to send them messages. And that's how you send messages without saving their number. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.